Introduction. On February 14, 2018, the Forever Rose Project sold a digital picture of a rose to a collective of 10 people for $1 million, paid in cryptocurrency. The sale was conducted and registered on the Ethereum blockchain. The image is publicly available. Anyone can copy it, store it on a hard drive, but the certificate of ownership linked to it cannot. Only the 10 members of the collective can sell, destroy, exchange their share of ownership in the digital asset, and no third party is required to process any of these transactions. The Forever Rose project is one of many possibilities provided by the crypto collectibles movement, a technological movement based on using blockchain technology, a decentralized and trustless data storage protocol, to create unique assets and bringing it to the art business. We can define a crypto collectible as a cryptographically unique, non-fungible digital asset, which, simply put, means that are like art pieces stored on a blockchain, any form of data, image, text, sound, that is uniquely identified by a blockchain. Unlike cryptocurrencies, which are fungible, meaning that any Bitcoin is equivalent in value to any other Bitcoin, just like a dollar is equivalent to any other dollar. Non-fungible assets are unique and differentiated from one another. The unique characteristic of crypto collectibles entails the notion of scarcity. A digital art piece stored on a blockchain can therefore be unique and traced back to its rightful owner, with no need for a centralized clearinghouse keeping records of every transaction. Since the birth of the internet, artists have struggled in finding a sustainable business model for digital assets, because the very notion of scarcity is rendered non-existent by the fact that data visible on the internet can freely be copied. If an artist creates an image and stores it on his website, anyone can copy it, destroying any notion of ownership contrary to physical art piece. The blockchain revolution is bringing about a whole wide variety of evolutions that the art business can greatly benefit from. Scarcity is the cornerstone of the art business, and, so far, digital art has failed to find a viable business model. Blockchain technology provides interesting new ways to create, sell, authentify, and exchange digital art, and more broadly, any art piece. But with these new capabilities come new legal, economic, and artistic challenges. We will formulate the research question as such: is the crypto collectibles movement a fundamental paradigm shift of the art business? And how will revenue sharing, bargaining power, might shift in creative industries' value chain?